Today I'm gonna make some badass FM leads from Serum and Harmor. Okay, let's get into the topic. Open FL Studio, go to Serum. Drag the LFO1 to coarse pitch. Turn the rate knob to 1/64th. And do some random stuff. Lol, I was just kidding. Put the octave to 1. Effects section. Turn on EQ. Now select Tools, then Last Tweak, then select Create Automation. Now go to Piano Roll at Serum and draw whatever pattern you like. Choose 190 BPM. If you like high-tech, you know. That sounds fine. Place that pattern over playlist. Draw some graphs like this over automation. Let's play. Now let's make some kick-ass kickbait.